Why start a family fitness challenge?
Weekly Family Fitness Challenge is a fun way to build healthier habits together. It encourages everyone to move more, spend quality time, and support each other's wellness goals. Regular physical activity boosts mood, energy, and overall health for all ages. Plus, turning exercise into a game helps motivate kids and keeps everyone engaged. Let's explore how to set up your own challenge.
Step 1. Set clear and realistic goals.
Choose simple, achievable goals that fit your family's schedule and interests. These could be daily step counts, minutes of activity, or completing certain exercises together. Make sure everyone, from kids to adults, can participate comfortably. Write the goals down and talk about what each person hopes to achieve. Clear goals help everyone stay focused and motivated throughout the week.
Step 2. Plan fun and varied activities.
Mix up activities to keep things interesting and suit all abilities. Try walking, cycling, dancing, yoga, or backyard games. Rotate who chooses the activity each day to give everyone a say. Incorporate both individual and team challenges, such as relay races or family walks. Variety prevents boredom and helps different family members discover exercises they enjoy.
Step 3. Create a simple tracking system.
Track each family member's progress with a chart, poster, or calendar in a visible spot. Mark achievements daily with stickers, check marks, or fun notes. Tracking makes progress visual and rewarding, motivating everyone to keep going. Consider small rewards at the end of the week, like choosing a movie night or favorite meal, to celebrate participation and successes together.
Step 4. Stay flexible and supportive.
Encourage each other and adapt the challenge as needed. Life can get busy, so be gentle if someone misses a day. Simply try again tomorrow. Adjust activities for different ages and abilities, and always focus on enjoying time together rather than competition. Cheer each other on and celebrate both big and small milestones to keep spirits high and foster teamwork.
Step 5. Make it a lasting family tradition.
Keep the momentum going by reviewing your challenge at the end of each week. Ask everyone what they liked, what was too hard or easy, and which activities were most fun. Change up goals or try new activities to keep things fresh. A weekly family fitness challenge can grow into a healthy, enjoyable tradition that brings lasting benefits for the whole family.